Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys the best Blooket hack right now that I can find, and hopefully this will work forever. So let's get right into it. First of all, we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna search for this link. I'm gonna put this link in the description so you can just click on it and you won't have to do what I'm doing. So now we're gonna go to this link and we're gonna pull up this page, right? So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go click on this look at cheats right here. Afterwards, we can go into cheats and we can scroll down and then we can find bookmarklets.html. So we're going to click this and then we're going to click download. All right. And now it's going to download it. So now that we have it downloaded, what we're going to do is we can close this tab now. And then we're going to right click up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to open Bookmarks Manager. All right. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to click the three dots at the very top. We're going to import bookmarks. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click bookmarklets. Okay, I already downloaded it twice, but just pick one of them and download it. After you got them imported, you can go to your Blooket and then you can choose whatever game you want to do, or if you're doing this during class. And then you can click imported and then you can go through all of these and there's like so many hacks. So basically what you do is you just go through each of them and then when you're in the game, you click them and use them. I'm not going to go into the game, so I'm not going to waste your time. But yeah, that's how you do it.